Alright, so this is step 5 of my tutorial, which is the PLL, and your cubes probably look something like this, where you've got we did the top yellow in the last step, which is the OLL, and or the orientation, and now we're going to move these pieces around right here so that they finish up into a finished cube just like this. Alright, so there's two algorithms that you absolutely have to know for this step, which I'll teach, and then also later on in the video I'll go over more algorithms that you can learn if you're a little more ambitious. So if you're not good at memorizing algorithms, or you just don't want to learn any, don't worry, you only need to learn 2 more. But if you want to be able to do the cube faster or more efficiently, then watch the whole video and I'll teach you some different ways to do it. Alright, so your cube probably resembles something like this, where you've got, I don't know, just a bunch of colors just randomly scattered along your cube. So what you want to do is just kind of look around your cube and try to find a side where 2 of the colors match, 2 of the corner piece colors match. So first we're going to focus on the corner pieces. So we're looking around and I see that these 2 match, they're 2 green right here. So what we want to do is, this is the first algorithm right here, is we want to see these 2 green colors, and if it's easier for you, match it up on the green side. You don't have to though. So again, 2 green colors, and you're going to hold it on the right side of the cube. Now in this algorithm that I'm using, it has an X in it. And basically what an X means is you hold the cube like this to like this. So it'll be X and then it'll have the algorithm. So what you will do is you will make the yellow become the back, the white become your front, and the in this case the red become your top. So and then you're gonna perform the algorithm just like you normally would any other algorithm. Alright? So again, find the 2 matching corner pieces and put them on the right side, and then perform this algorithm. So we're going to go X, right 2, D2, which means this down layer or the bottom layer, so D2, right, up, right inverted, down 2, right, up inverted, right. And now, as you can see, all of the corner colors are matched up, so they're all the same color. And next, all we have to do is move these middle pieces around, these edge pieces around, and then you'll be all done with the cube. But that's what that step accomplishes, is matching up all the different colored corner pieces. Now you may come across a case like this, in which case you don't have any matching colors. None of them match, like red, orange, blue, green. None of them match. So in that case, what you're going to have to do is, there's 2 ways to do it. For those of you who are a little bit more ambitious, I'll give you the algorithm to solve this, but there's also another way to do it. Go back to that algorithm I just taught you. Perform it on any side. So for example, I'll just pick this side for random. Again, we're going to go X, right 2, down 2, right up, right inverted, down 2, right inverted up, inverted, right. So as you can see, it didn't match all of them, it only matched these 2 right here. So again, we have to hold them on the right side again and perform the algorithm again. And as you can see, it matched up all the colors and consequently also solved the cube. But normally that might not happen. I just got lucky in that case. But so if you get something where you don't have 2 of the corner pieces that are the same color, you just have to perform that algorithm twice, and it will fix itself. So you just have to perform it twice. Alright, so if you're one of the ambitious people that want to learn the corner edge pairing in 1 step when none of the colors match, I'm going to teach that method right now. So basically what we have here is none of the corners match, obviously, and what we need to do is we need to match them all up. So you can do it in the 2 steps that I showed earlier, in which case you perform that same algorithm twice, or you can use this algorithm, which I'll give you right now, which matches up all the corners. In the previous algorithm, it was a 3-corner switch, which basically lines up all of them. In this one, it's gonna like switch these 2 corners and these 2 corners, and it's gonna line up all your colors. Alright, so I'm gonna give you the algorithm right now. Like the other algorithm where it had an X, where we went like this, we made the white the front, yellow the back. This one, it's an X inverted, so you're gonna make yellow the front and white the back. Okay, so we're gonna be going like that. So what it is again, X inverted, right, up inverted, right, down, so this down layer right here, right, up, right inverted. Now, small u means we're going to do these 2 layers right here. So, we're going to take both these 2 layers, so u2, right inverted, up, right, down, right inverted, up inverted, right. Alright, and as you can see, it matched up all the corner pieces, and now we can move on to the last step, which is matching up these edges right here. Alright, so hopefully you have a cube like this, in which case there's only 3 edges out of whack. This side's already complete, and we just got these 3 edges we need to take care of. So there's only 1 algorithm. I'm going to have to require that you learn to solve this step, but there are actually like 6, which I'm probably going to teach in a separate video, I'm thinking. I taught you the 2 edge ones because that's more important, but I'm probably going to teach you 2 algorithms in this step. And then I'm also going to make another video which has all the algorithms, a much more complex video for the PLL, which I'll probably post up at the same time as this, as well as a more complex video for the OLL. So once you learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube the easy way, make sure you look at some of my more advanced method tutorials. So again, in this case, we have this blue one which wants to go here, this red one which wants to go here, and this orange one wants to hop over. Alright, so the algorithm that moves this here, and this over, it's going to be right, up inverted, right, up, right, up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, right 2. And as you can see, that solves your Rubik's Cube. Alright, so if you come across this case, this is called the clockwise case. The other case was called the counterclockwise case because the pieces move in a counterclockwise fashion. These pieces move in a clockwise fashion, see? From here to here to here to here to here over here. It makes a clockwise rotation. So what we're going to do is, again, holding it with the completed side on the back, it's going to be the backwards of the one I just showed you. It's right 2, up, right inverted, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, right inverted, up, right inverted. And as you can see, it solved the cube. Now you may come across a weird case like this, in which case the back is not solved. Like there's no one side that's completely solved, which is alright, because all you have to do is perform either the clockwise or the counterclockwise algorithm, and it will solve one of the sides. So for example, just hold the cube anyway, and I'm going to perform the counterclockwise algorithm. And as you can see, it solves the blue side, and then what's left is the counterclockwise again. So what I'm going to do is hold it orange and back, and I'm going to do the counterclockwise algorithm. And as you can see, it solves the cube. So it's fairly simple, and those are the only algorithms you need to solve the Rubik's Cube. Thanks for watching. Practice, practice, practice. Should only take you about 2 days, and you'll have all the algorithms memorized. And I'd say within a month you should be able to do the cube under like a minute 30. And once you get a little bit of practice, check out my other tutorials which have more advanced methods. But thanks for watching.